Hello there, how are you? So I hope all are well and your year was not as bad as previous year, and let's hope for a better year next time. So this is going to be my last video for this year, and this is kind of a continuation for my previous video जहाँ पे हम लोग ने बात किया था generation Y के बारे में, क्योंकि we are going to be interacting with them very soon, and if we are not already interacting with them, and so we need to learn certain things about them. So this is kind of a continuation video, अगर आप बोल सकते हैं तो. Are you aware that these people send a minimum of 100 texts a day? Yes, ये लोग बात करना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं करते, ये लोग rather text करना पसंद करते हैं. तो अगर आपको इनके text समझने हैं और या फिर ये क्या बोलना चाहते हैं समझना, understand their language. And so here I am trying to bring up some of the most common things that we hear, जो हम लोग सुनते हैं इन लोगों को बात करते हुए. तो उसी को लेके ये वीडियो है. So the first thing is the F word. हाँ, oh my god, the F word. Yes, हम लोग जिसको सुन के you should not use the F word. But इन लोग के लिए it is no big deal. ये लोग F word यूज करते हैं as not a cuss word. ये लोग इसको गंदा समझते ही नहीं है. So, oh fuck off, oh my god, what the fuck, ये सब इन लोगों के लिए is as good as हम लोग का बोलना oh shit, what a shitty job, oh ऐसा ही. Okay, so it is not something derogatory for them. ये लोग इसको derogatory नहीं समझते हैं. Next is bro. तो bro का मतलब हम लोग समझते हैं brother का acronym, short form for brother, but they don't believe in, like I said in my previous video, ये लोग gender discrimination में believe नहीं करते. तो bro is anybody. So bro could be your friend who is a girl or a boy. ये लड़का भी हो सकता है, लड़की भी. तो yeah, bro means I could be talking to my friend, I could be talking to my colleague, irrespective of the gender that he or she belongs to. Next is screw it. So again, screw it is not something bad. It is just like let it be. Just let it be. Screw it मतलब छड़ो यार. Screw it. Screw it. मतलब let it be. Let bygones be bygones. ऐसा ही. Screw it. Okay, so that is what screw it means. Yeah, I have a paper in front of me. Next is bad trip. Bad trip has got nothing with vacation. So ऐसा नहीं है कि bad trip मतलब आप vacation पे जा रहे हो और वो खराब हो गया. No. Bad trip is something like when something bad happens. और इन लोगों के लिए bad is not मतलब बहुत ही खराब हो जाता है कुछ, तभी ये लोग इसको bad समझते हैं. Otherwise everything is kind of okay with them, you know, सब कुछ चलता है types. So and अगर कुछ bad हो जाता है तो ये लोग बोलते हैं बीटी मत दो यार. and bad trip भी नहीं बोलते, बीटी मत दो. बीटी मतलब don't ditch me kind of things that we say, that don't do this to me or don't ditch me or don't be stupid or don't be moron, something like that. So ये है इन लोगों का BT, और ये लोग बोलते BT मत दो, right? And don't give me a BT. So that means bad trip. Okay, so what's next? LOML, love of my life. So if ये लोग किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स है, बहुत दिन से जानते हैं, तो they will say you are my LOML. That is love of my life. So love of my life मतलब ये नहीं कि हम प्यार करते हैं उनसे और उनसे ही शादी कर रहे हैं. No. शादी प्यार इन सब से काफ़ी दूर रहते हैं ये लोग, because they are not too fond of the system. And so love of my life मतलब you are a sweetheart. हम लोग जैसे बोलते हैं you are a sweetheart, that's so sweet of you, हम लोग बोलते थे. तो ये लो, you are an LOML. So if an LOML comes your way, don't think that that person is in love with you, for heaven's sake. It means that you have been a sweet person. So again, another word, sleeping around. Sleeping around matlab, yes, they are sleeping around, but इन लोगों के लिए स्लीपिंग अराउंड इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ बिग डील, क्योंकि नो स्ट्रिंग्स अटैच्ड. सो yes, the next generation has come a long way, so they do sleep around with people if they want to. तो अगर किसी के साथ ये चाहते हैं इंटीमेट होना तो ये होते हैं, but there are no strings attached. It does not mean that I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you. Next is what the hell. So what the hell is WTH, and they don't say what the hell. WTH, what the hell means what are you trying to do? I mean, or what are you trying to say? क्या बोलना चाहते हैं आप? What the hell. Again, ये सब लोगों को लूजर बुलाते हैं. Now loser could be अगर आपके लिए कैब नहीं रुका, लूजर. अगर आप टाइम पे ऊबर नहीं बुक कर सकते तो you're a loser. अगर आपसे एक बड़ा काम भी नहीं होता तब भी आप लूजर हो. So loser is a very common word with a very wide range. Okay, so loser is for everybody who just cannot do what that person is. मतलब अगर आप कुछ करने वाले थे और उसको नहीं कर पाए, या फिर अगर आप कोई कमिटमेंट फेल कर दिए तो आप एक लूजर हो. यू आर अ लूजर. ओके, GTG, got to go. So bye bye GTG, that is got to go. That means that's all for today. GTG. No, I am not done, but GTG means got to go. So another cuss word for us, bitch. You bitch. Yeah? No, a bitch is a girl. Okay? So she is a bitch, and it can be said in a good manner also. She is such a bitch. That means, oh my God, क्या कर दिखाया बंदी ने. Yeah? So it is like she is such a bitch. And it is not, again, it is not derogatory. Bitch मतलब एक लड़की. That's it. Bitch. Next is bestie. You are my bestie. That means you are my sweetheart. Just to hype that person up. Bestie मतलब ये नहीं कि best friends forever. चड्डी यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Bestie मतलब best friends. मतलब I am so indebted to you. You have done my job, and basically ये लोग hype बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं. So that is why LOML, bestie, ये सब, bro, etc. Negative sense अगर इसको इन लोगों को कुछ बोलना है, then they will use cunt or a dick. Now when we say cunt or dick, it is used in the negative sense. So again, a girl can be a dick and a boy can be a cunt. So don't be a cunt does not mean that the person is referring to, अगर मतलब मैं कोई लड़की के बारे में बोल रही हूँ या कोई, तो it is irrespective. So जो मुंह में आ जाता है वही बोल देते हैं ये लोग. So another negative word that these people use is asshole. मतलब don't be a moron, don't be an asshole. मतलब अगर आप इनके बात पे अग्री नहीं करते हो, या फिर जैसे कि हम लोग बोलते हैं कि you are bad, you are worthless, तो ये लोग बोलते हैं asshole. Okay. Next is moron is stupid. शायद हम लोग भी यूज करते हैं moron को stupid. फिर love. So ये लोग love भी बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करते हैं, again for hyping things up. So love मतलब ये नहीं कि हमको आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार है. It just means that you have been a darling and you have done my job. So it was a great job, love. Thank you, love. Do watch my video, love. So that is what love means for them. So calling somebody by love is again hyping somebody up. So these are some of the words that these people use. ये words आपको काफ़ी सुनने पे आएंगे अगर आप कोई कैफ़े जाते हो, कोई रेस्टोरेंट जाते हो और एक bunch of youngsters देखते हो, तो यही words आपको सुनने में आएंगे. And I did my kind of reference with them so that I don't get it wrong. And I try my best to understand what they're trying to say so that there is no difference in opinion that we have. So these are some of the words that we should be knowing in order to know our next generation in a better manner. So all the best for the next year. A very happy new year to all my viewers. Please do keep sharing my videos and I'll see you next year. Bye bye. Have a great time.